Welcome back. We'll build on our previous code to add geometry and randomly scale it. Now we'll add the uniform scale component and our basic unit, in this case a center box component. We will now connect the geometry output from the move component to both components, box and scale components. Connecting to the box component to assign the box geometry to the center of each point. And to the scaling component to specify the center of scaling of each box. Remaining one thing, the factor of scaling, which is going to be random. So we will take a copy of the random component and its supporting components to use in scaling. And edit the domain range to work as a reasonable factor to our geometry. Then finally connect the random numbers output to the factor input in scale component. And now we have our geometry randomly scaled. In the coming lecture, we are going to continue to build on this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to create interesting accidental spaces by form subtraction.